Welcome back to Income Innovators, your go-to channel for turning smart ideas into real income. If you're curious about making money with AI, but think it's too late or too technical, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you 5 beginner-friendly AI side hustles you can start this week. No tech degree or big investment needed. We'll break down the tools, where to find clients, and how to get started fast. These are practical, scalable, and perfect for anyone ready to tap into the AI boom. Grab your notebook. Let's dive into real ways to build income streams with AI. Let's get started. First up, AI-generated children's books. You don't need to be an author or illustrator. Use ChatGPT to write a fun story. Just give it a prompt like, "A shy squirrel learns to be brave." Refine the story with the AI until you're happy with it. Next, use Midjourney or Canva's AI to create illustrations. Keep your prompts consistent so your characters look the same throughout. Lay out your story and images in Canva or Google Slides. Upload your finished book to Amazon KDP. No inventory, no shipping hassles. When someone buys, Amazon prints and ships it. You collect royalties. To stand out, focus on specific themes parents search for, like first day of school or becoming a big brother. Start with one short book to learn the process. Don't overthink it. Just get your first book published. This is a low-risk, creative way to earn passive income. AI does the heavy lifting, you bring the ideas. Give it a try and see how easy it is to launch your own book. Next, offer AI-powered voiceover services. Perfect for YouTube, podcasts, ads, and more. Use tools like 11 Labs or Murph.ai to generate realistic voiceovers from any script. Pick from a range of voices, accents, and tones, or even clone your own. Find clients on Fiverr or Upwork by offering fast, affordable AI voiceovers. Build a portfolio with sample voiceovers, podcast intros, YouTube narrations, or e-learning modules. Host your samples on SoundCloud or Google Drive and link them in your profile. Offer tiered packages, basic, standard, and premium, to fit different client needs. Target a niche, like real estate videos or YouTube history channels to stand out. AI voiceovers are quick to produce and in high demand. Start small, build your reputation, and scale up as you go. Love art but can't draw? Create and sell AI-generated art on Etsy. Use Midjourney or Leonardo AI to generate unique art. Just master your prompts for style and subject. Sell your designs as printable wall art, t-shirts, stickers, or phone wallpapers. Connect your Etsy shop to Printify or Redbubble for print-on-demand fulfillment, no inventory needed. When someone buys, your design is printed and shipped automatically. Research trending niches on Etsy. Think boho nursery prints or custom pet portraits. Focus on a micro niche to get discovered by passionate buyers. Create a cohesive collection of 5-10 pieces in the same style for a professional shop look. You're the creative director, AI is your artist. This is a fast, fun way to turn creativity into cash. Start your shop and see what sells. Struggling entrepreneurs need catchy business names. Here's where you come in. Use ChatGPT with detailed prompts to generate creative, relevant business names. Ask clients about their industry, audience, and brand values, then feed that info to the AI. Curate the best names, check domain availability, and present them professionally. Offer your service on Fiverr or Upwork, bundling names with slogans or domain checks for higher value. Start with a low-priced package to get your first clients and reviews. Batch your process with a master prompt template for efficiency. As you gain reviews, raise your prices and expand your offerings. This is a fast, high-demand service for new businesses. No design skills needed, just creativity and smart use of AI. Help brands launch and get paid for your ideas. Ready for something more advanced? Build and sell AI-powered Notion templates or custom chatbots. Notion's AI features let you create templates that automate tasks, like generating blog ideas or summarizing notes. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm and structure your templates. Sell your digital products on Gumroad or Notion marketplaces. Build once, sell forever. Target specific audiences, students, freelancers, or small business owners, for better sales. Or create custom chatbots using PromptBase or ChatGPT's custom GPTs. Build niche bots, like a legal clause helper or meal prep assistant. The key is prompt engineering, crafting instructions that make your tool genuinely useful. Start by solving a problem in your own workflow, then polish and sell your solution. This is a scalable, passive income stream for digital creators. No coding required, just creativity and a knack for solving problems. Turn your productivity hacks into products others will pay for. There you have it. 5 beginner-friendly AI side hustles you can start today. From children's books and art to voiceovers, business naming, and digital templates, AI is your tool for new income streams. You don't need to code or quit your job, just creativity and a willingness to learn. Start small, experiment, and scale as you see results. Which hustle will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to Income Innovators for more real side hustle ideas. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.